Bow. You sure know how to. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Dun, 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 dun. Today I'm going to talk about my skincare resolutions for 2019. These are 5 things that I'm going to try to do this year to make my skin, my life, everything about me better. Well, skin mainly. The first one is to drink more water. There are so many benefits to drinking water every day. I know I need to get so much better with that. There is no excuse. That's my first skincare resolution of 2019. My second one is going to be to cut out physical exfoliation. As it is now, I do a balance of physical and chemical exfoliation. But I know that when you physically exfoliate, you can cause little micro tears in your skin, no matter how fine and how small the particles are. I don't know if this applies to like every single product, because I'm like, why would there be so many on the market if they all cause tears? But this is something I of course want to learn more about to eventually phase it out if I do feel like it's something that could potentially be harmful for my skin. The third one is to not be lazy. And I mean, like, sometimes I have days where I'm like in the house the whole day and like I've just worn my SPF and I won't wash my face and I'll just go to bed. Or like sometimes I come in and I've got a face full of makeup and I just kind of take it off, do a really quick double cleanse, get some pads. I still do a double cleanse now. But sometimes I can get lazy with my routine, and sometimes the days that I do that, I wake up and I'm like, yeah, girl, you could have spared to do a quick 2-3 more minutes on that. Number 4 is to introduce retinol. Now, I am petrified of retinol. I do not know why. I'm turning 25 this year. And a lot of people say that when you're 25 is the best time to introduce retinol. So I feel like I'm going to start researching a lot more and understanding, but I have been suffering from a lot of tiny spots on my forehead and on my cheek there, and I do feel like retinol could be the answer. And then the last one is to stop washing my face with warm water. Now, I've read recently that if you wash your face with warm water, it can really dry it out. I personally do not really notice that this is the case when I wash my face with warm water, because I like to keep my skin very moisturized. If it's something that is happening and perhaps I'm not noticing, I definitely would like to try to cut it out. So I think introducing cold water and somehow figuring out a way, to wash my face where I'm not in the shower, that I might potentially see a change in my skin. Why not? So drop down below what some of your skincare resolutions are going to be for the year of 2019. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you've made it all the way to the end. Like and drop a comment down below so we can get chatting. See you in my next video. Bye.